Huge returns, guys. Sentinel. I made $20,000 in this trade. I shared this trade in the private list on February 6. We bought this coin for 0.0003 and put a sell order right here. Daily resistance. I made 205%. Some members made 230%. Guys, if you like to save $600 per year, email me pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I will provide a free platform to trade. Okay, trade recap today. Let me show the trades I share in the private list on the last 24 hours. We trade 630%, guys. We trade Falcon, SpaceFalcon, Sentinel, OpenLeverage Gifto SpaceFalcon Roseon Ontology. Guys, in order to find those coins, my software is tracking the first 3,000 coins with more volume, guys. And we focus on volume because volume is confirmation. I just made $63,000. You can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. Guys, you can follow me on Twitter. I got an update about the coins with possible pump. I just put this update here about Tron vs USD. Tron is breaking out. Explosive pump is likely. Tron vs USD. This is a fight, guys. This is a fight between. Also, I like to keep you updated about one more trade recap here, guys. SpaceFalcon. Same thing happened. Volume spike, buyer power happened right here. Share this trade in the private list on Monday 6. We bought this coin for 0.00006 and put a sell order right here, guys. Always I put a sell order daily resistance. This coin provide me $7,000 return, 74%. Huge returns, guys. Now update about Bitcoin. Some people are asking for that. Bitcoin, guys, I like to say welcome to our new members, okay? Kevin, Charles, Sarah, and Maria. Welcome to Maria. Welcome, guys. Bitcoin 4 hours chart. This is very important, okay? You see on the RSI, we see descending here, and the price is going up. This is clear divergence, guys. Trade crypto. Pumping up members know when they should buy and sell Bitcoin. Just let me know if you like to get those trades in real time. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you. Okay. Also, I will alert you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos, tá? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Polkadot, Polygon, Cardano, Dogecoin, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, of course. Guys, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I'm located in Miami, South Beach. My name is Daniel. And reach me out asking for the free platform to trade, guys. This is important. You don't have to spend $600 with TradeView. It's free. Follow me up, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.